I'd like to thank Genify for going through and sending me this vacuum sealed container that can go through and hold food. Kind of like soup would probably be your best meal for here. And it can keep it warm for 12 hours or cold for 24 hours. So I definitely want to thank them for sending the product. Unfortunately, they were supposed to send me orange, but whatever. I guess I'll give it to my wife. So you do have a area here that is nice to grab from, nice and rubbery, and you can even pull it over if you need to. And the bottom does also have a stop piece so it won't slide all away. And if it's really hot, it'll also protect your counter, which is really nice. When you open it up, you'll also see that there is a spoon that can go through and come out and be transformed. That's nice. So if you're going to have soup, you can do that. And also the lid itself also acts as a bowl. So you can pour the soup in there instead of eating directly out of the container because it is a little harder to get into there. It comes with a carrying case, which is nice, and 2 extra O-rings, one for the small, one for the large, and it is very nice and smooth to the touch, which is really nice. This is going to be your 12 ounce. It is leak proof, dishwasher safe for the first shelf, so keep that in mind. I think it's a really nice thing, and when I used it for soup, it really did a good job. It kept the soup warm. I had it in here maybe like 2 hours or so, and the soup was still nice and warm. I was able to eat it, no problems. I definitely do recommend it. It was pretty easy to eat out of. As soon as I figured out how to transform the spoon, which is really easy, it's just the first time it took me a moment. My name's Kevin, Helpful Tutorials, and I hope this is helpful.